Here's my attempt at fox in socks. Fast. Ready? Fox in socks. Fox, socks, box, knocks, knocks in box, fox in socks, knocks on fox and socks in box, socks on knocks in box, fox in socks on box on knocks, chicks with bricks come, chicks with blocks come, chicks with bricks and blocks and clocks come, look sir, Mr. Knox sir, let's do tricks with bricks and blocks sir, let's do tricks with chicks and clocks sir. First I'll make a quick trick brick stack, then I'll make a quick trick block stack, you can make a quick trick chick stack, you can make a quick trick clock stack. And here is a new trick, Mr. Knox, socks on chicks and chicks on fox, fox on clocks on bricks and blocks on knocks and box. Now we come to ticks and talks sir, try to say this Mr. Knox sir, clocks on fox, tick, clocks on knocks talk, six chick bricks chicks, six chick chicks talk. Please sir, I don't like this trick sir, my tongue isn't quick or slick sir. I get all those ticks and clocks sir, mixed up with the chicks and talk sir. I can't do it Mr. Fox sir. I'm so sorry Mr. Knox sir. Here's an easy game to play. Here's an easy thing to say. New socks, two socks. Who socks? Who socks? Who sews who socks? Who sews who socks? Who sees who sew whose new socks, sir? You see who sews whose new socks, sir. That's not easy, Mr. Fox, sir. Who comes? Crow comes. Slow Joe Crow comes. Who sews crow's clothes? Who sews crow's clothes? Slow Joe Crow sews whose clothes? Sue's clothes. Sue sews socks of fox and socks now. Slow Joe Crow sews knocks and box now. Sue sews rose on Slow Joe Crow's clothes. Fox sews hose on Slow Joe Crow's nose. Hose goes, rose grows, nose hose goes some, crows rose grows some. Mr. Fox, I hate this game, sir. This game makes my tongue quite lame, sir. Mr. Knox, sir, what a shame, sir. We'll find something new to do now. Here is lots of new blue goo now. New goo, blue goo, gooey gooey blue goo. New goo, blue gooey. Gooey goo for chewy chewing. That's what that goo goose is doing. Do you choose to chew goo too, sir? If sir, you sir choose to chew, sir, with the goo goose chew, sir, do, sir. Mr. Fox, sir, I won't say it. I can't say it. I won't chew it. Very well, sir. Step this way. We'll find another game to play. Bim comes, Ben brings Ben broom, Ben brings Ben broom, Ben bends Ben's broom, Bim bends Ben's broom, Bim's Ben's Ben's bent broom breaks, Bim's bent broom breaks. Ben's band, Bim's band, big bands, pig bands. Bim and Ben lead bands with brooms, Bim's band bams and Bim's band booms. Pig band, boom band, big band, broom band. My poor mouth can't say that, no sir. My poor mouth is much too slow, sir. Well then, bring your mouth this way. We'll find it something it can say. Luke Lux likes lakes. Luke's duck likes licks. Luke Luck licks licks. Luke's duck licks licks. Duck takes licks and lakes. Luke Luck likes. Luke Luck takes licks and lakes. Duck likes. I can't blab such blubber blubber. My tongue isn't made of rubber. Mr. Knox, now come now, come now. You don't have to be so dumb now. Try to say this, Mr. Knox, please. Through three cheese freeze, free fleas flew. While these fleas flew, Freezy Breeze blew. Freezy Breeze made these three trees freeze. Freezy trees made these trees cheese freeze. That's what made these three free fleas sneeze. Stop it, that's enough, sir. I can't say such silly stuff, sir. Very well then, Mr. Knox, sir. Let's have a little talk about Tweedle Beetles. What do you know about Tweedle Beetles? Well, when Tweedle Beetles fight, it's called a Tweedle Beetle battle. And when they battle in a puddle, it's a Tweedle Beetle puddle battle. And when Tweedle Beetles battle with the paddles in a puddle, they call it a Tweedle Beetle puddle paddle battle. And when Beetles battle beetles in a puddle paddle battle, and the beetle battle puddle is a puddle in a bottle, they call this a Tweedle Beetle paddle puddle muddle. And when beetles fight these battles in a bottle with their paddles and the paddles on a when beetles fight these battles in a bottle with their paddles and the bottle's on a poodle and the poodle's eating noodles, they call this a muddle puddle tweedle poodle beetle noodle puddle paddle battle. And now wait a minute, Mr. Socks Fox. When a fox is in the bottle or the Tweedle Beetles battle with their paddles on a puddle on a noodle eating poodle, this is what they call a Tweedle Beetle noodle poodle bottle paddle muddle duddle fuddle waddle fox and socks, sir. Fox and socks, our game is done, sir. Thank you for a lot of fun, sir. Now is your tongue numb? Mine is.